Are you looking for the best ink tank printers? In this video we will look at some of best ink tank printers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. HP SmartTank 5000 Ink Tank Printer. The HP SmartTank 5000, catering to the entire family's needs with its versatile all-in-one capabilities. Beyond its stunning document and photo printing, this printer seamlessly handles scanning and copying tasks, making it an indispensable companion for everyday activities. Experience the freedom of printing thousands of pages before a refill. The SmartTank 5000 features expansive, refillable ink tanks with a capacity for up to 2 years of printing, equivalent to 6,000 black or color pages right out of the box. Refilling becomes a hassle-free endeavor with the spill-proof system, ensuring a mess-free process. Speed and quality are paramount, with the printer delivering rapid speeds of up to 10 pages per minute, black, and 5 pages per minute, color. HP's renowned quality ensures sharp text and vivid colors, suitable for various printing needs, from school reports to family portraits. Convenience takes center stage with wireless connectivity, allowing printing from any device. The HP Smart App grants control at your fingertips, enabling seamless printing, scanning, and copying directly from your phone. Smart guided buttons illuminate to simplify tasks, while the self-healing Wi-Fi automatically resolves connection issues, ensuring frustration-free operation. High-volume printing with refillable ink tanks. 3-in-1 functionality: print, scan, copy. Huge ink capacity for up to 2 years of printing. Spill-proof system for mess-free refills. Fast printing: 10 ppm, black, 5 ppm, color. Number 4. Canon PIXMA G6020 Ink Tank Printer. The Canon PIXMA G6020 MegaTank for stress-free, cost-effective printing that delivers vibrant and professional results. As a versatile 3-in-1 powerhouse, it excels not only in printing but also in copying and scanning, making it the ideal companion for all your home printing needs. The G6020 features integrated ink tanks holding over 30 times the ink of standard cartridges, allowing you to print up to 6,000 black pages or 7,700 color pages per refill. Included bottles and bonus black inks translate to a substantial $1,175 in ink savings, offering exceptional value. Quality meets quantity as the G6020 ensures sharp and professional text with crisp pigment-based black ink, while vibrant colors come to life with dye-based inks for stunning borderless photos. Wireless connectivity and the Canon Print app provide ultimate control from any device, offering unmatched convenience. For ink replenishment, connect to Alexa for low ink alerts and smart reorders, ensuring you never run out. Built to last with a 5,000-page duty cycle and a 1-year warranty, the G6020 guarantees reliability for years. With Energy Star and EPAT Silver certifications, it reflects your commitment to an eco-friendly choice in printing. MegaTank for cost-effective, high-volume printing. 3-in-1 functionality: print, scan, copy. Integrated ink tanks, up to 6,000 black, 7,700 color pages. Bonus black inks for $1,175 in savings. Crisp pigment-based black ink for professional text. Number 3. Canon MegaTank G3270 Ink Tank Printer. The Canon PIXMA G3270 MegaTank, high-quality printing, ideal for unleashing your creativity without straining your wallet. This versatile 3-in-1 printer excels not only in printing but also in scanning and copying, making it a perfect ally for home offices, students, and creative enthusiasts. With integrated ink tanks, the G3270 offers an impressive capacity, yielding up to 6,000 black and 7,700 color pages before needing a refill. The innovative keyed nozzle design ensures mess-free refills, with each color having its designated slot, eliminating confusion. Speed meets excellence as the G3270 delivers swift printing at 11 pages per minute, black, and 6 pages per minute, color, ensuring your documents and photos come to life quickly. High-resolution printing guarantees sharp text and vibrant colors, catering to various printing needs. The printer prioritizes convenience with wireless connectivity, enabling direct printing from smartphones or laptops. The Canon Print app provides ultimate control from your mobile device, even allowing printing from cloud storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox. User-centric design features an intuitive 1.35 LCD screen for easy navigation, and its compact design seamlessly fits into any workspace. With Energy Star and EPAT Silver certifications. MegaTank for cost-effective, high-volume printing. 3-in-1 functionality: print, scan, copy. Integrated ink tanks, up to 6,000 black, 7,700 color pages. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Ink Tank Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET2760, ushering in a new era of unparalleled cost efficiency and user convenience. Boasting supersized ink tanks, this printer dramatically reduces printing expenses by a staggering 90%, enabling the printing of thousands of pages on just one set of ink bottles. Beyond mere savings, it's a testament to practicality, eliminating the frantic search for cartridges mid-print and the messiness of replacements. The user-friendly design with easy-to-fill ink tanks, featuring unique keying to prevent spills, ensures uninterrupted and hassle-free printing. Functioning as both a practical necessity and a performance powerhouse, the EcoTank delivers impressive speeds of up to 10.5 pages per minute in black and 5 pages per minute in color. Automatic two-sided printing not only enhances efficiency but also contributes to eco-conscious paper usage and cost savings. With the ability to print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color on a single set of ink bottles, equivalent to around 80 individual cartridges, the EcoTank offers exceptional value. The printer's low-cost replacement ink bottles, a fraction of traditional cartridge prices, translate to substantial long-term savings. Wireless connectivity allows seamless printing from smartphones, tablets, or laptops, adding a layer of convenience. For those seeking hands-free control, voice-activated printing is available on select devices. The clear and intuitive display screen further simplifies navigation through settings and monitoring of ink levels. Supersized ink tanks for 90% cost savings. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2760 Ink Tank Printer. Epson EcoTank ET2760 redefines printing, ushering in a revolutionary era of affordability and convenience. Featuring supersized ink tanks, this printer slashes expenses by an astounding 90%, allowing you to print thousands of pages on a single set of ink bottles. The easy-to-fill ink tanks, equipped with unique keying, ensure spill-free and hassle-free refilling. It delivers stunning documents and vibrant photos at speeds of up to 10.5 pages per minute, black, and 5 pages per minute, color. Automatic two-sided printing not only enhances efficiency but also contributes to paper conservation and a reduced environmental footprint. The Epson printer's supersized ink tanks enable you to print up to 7,500 pages in black and 6,000 pages in color with a single set of ink bottles, equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges. Cost-effective replacement ink bottles, priced significantly lower than traditional cartridges, lead to substantial long-term savings. It offers wireless printing from smartphones, tablets, or laptops. Voice-activated printing adds a hands-free dimension to your printing experience, enhancing convenience. The printer's clear and intuitive display screen allows you to effortlessly navigate settings and monitor ink levels. Supersized ink tanks for 90% cost savings. Easy to fill, spill-free ink tanks with unique keying. High-speed printing, 10.5 ppm, black, 5 ppm, color.